Hi friends, how are we this week? So we're going to be making some DIY stress balls. How excited. Let's jump in. Let's start with the materials you're going to need. You should have a balloon. You should also have a little packet of these little beads. You're going to need to grab a funnel and then a water bottle, and you want to fill it with about 1.5 cups of water, which I already have ready. So what you need to do is we're first going to enlarge these. And to do that, you're going to want to put your funnel in your bottle. And then you're going to want to open this and pour them in. So once they're all in, cap up your bottle. And then you're going to have to wait 4 hours for these to fully inflate. After 4 hours, it should look like this. Obviously, you might have a different color, but the beads should be about this big. What you're going to want to do is take your balloon and put it over the mouth of the water bottle. And then you're going to want to push it in. So see how I'm squeezing the water bottle? And you want to make sure that you've put your balloon on all the way, because you definitely can make a bit of a mess. Squeeze it in. It might take a couple squeezes, but once you squeeze your beads in, and it's okay if you don't do all of them, but you kind of want to squeeze until no more comes in. You're going to grab your lip, you're going to push this down, and you're going to tie the balloon. And there you have it. Stress ball. And there you have it. We have our stress ball. I will say that there is another way to fill these. So if you don't have a water bottle, what you can do is take your balloon. You can put a funnel in it. You can go like this and pour the beads directly into the balloon, and then fill this with 1.5 cups of water. Tie it off and wait 4 hours. It'll look exactly the same. So that's another way to do this. It's up to you. Both work really well. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.